How to take a screenshot in iPhone 16 Pro Max without buttons. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and click on Siri and turn on Siri and go back to home screen and simply says, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot." And it will take a screenshot without using buttons. And the another way to take a screenshot, then simply click on settings and then click on accessibility, and in physical and motor section you can see the option touch. Click on touch and scroll down last, and here you can see the option back tap. Click on back tap and then click on double tap and then select screenshot, and you can take a screenshot with double tap of your backside of your phone. And the another way to take screenshot without using button, then simply open settings and then click on accessibility, and in physical and motor section you can see the option touch. Click on touch and on top you can see the option assistive touch. Click on assistive touch and turn this button assistive touch on, and you can see the assistive touch icon, and then go back to home screen and then click on assistive touch icon and then click on device and click on more, and here you can see the option screenshot. Then simply click on screenshot, so it will take a screenshot. So this is the way to take screenshot without using buttons in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.